Okay guys, so we just bought this system from Home Depot. It's the Ridgid Tool Box, a rolling toolbox. And it's 3 different compartments. So we could be more organized. And then this is our first one. That's our camping stuff. Trying to be more green, so we're doing washable plates and bowls and stuff. This one I think was $29. It's not that bad actually. And then on the sides you take that off. This off, and then that comes off. Okay, so next we have our crates, which is like camping stuff: fuel, propane, this is fuel, some tape, solar lantern, rope, butane, soap and scrub for, I need to put some dish soap in there. This is for Kato. My fire extinguisher, I know we all need that right now. Broom for cleaning up your tent afterwards. This is a lantern. This is a battery pack. We put all our batteries in there. Make sure you have D batteries and C batteries for whatever air pumps and stuff that you guys have. And then, whoop, I'm not trying to put that up. And then we take this one off. So then that's the bottom. We take the top off of this one. How do we do that? Oh. And there's the bigger stuff. Paper towels, hot cups, hot coffee cups, our water bottles. Again, we're trying not to do paper or plastic just because it's less trash. I know the kids are gonna have to wash more dishes, but I think it's okay. They're gonna live. Our biodegradable toilet bags. These are our trash bags, the heavy duty contractor 42-gallon trash bags, as well as, I don't know if we're gonna separate the recyclables or not, but that I got 4 of them here, so hopefully that'll last us all weekend. And I bought new chopping mats from the dollar store, so there's 3 of those. So if you don't need to bring it, don't bring it. I have some. And you know, I went camping this last time with Rob's friends, and they had tablecloths, and it just made everything look so much nicer and cleaner. So I have 3 of those for the 3 tables that we're bringing. And then yeah, so foil paper. I need to add more stuff, but this is what I have so far. Trying to keep it down. And then this is our camp, like sleeping bags and stuff. Sleeping bags, pillows and stuff. Trying to keep everything in one place. And there's our stove. We still need our camp tent, which Ricardo has. But I think this right here is a really good buy if you guys can invest in it. We spent about $110 for the whole thing. Each one you can choose and pick and which ones you like. Home Depot has it. This one came out to about $110 for all 3 of these, which is not too bad. Anyways, that's our little step up to organization.